500 people died in the past 24 hours, and that brings the nationwide total of deaths to 3,100. As Elise Preston reports, there are now more than 164,000 cases nationwide.
The naval ship Comfort is now docked in New York City's harbor and ready to accept non-coronavirus patients to help relieve overcrowding in hospitals. This was the scene outside NYC Langone Hospital Monday. At least 9 ambulances backed up trying to get patients into the emergency room entrance. National correspondent David Begnaud spoke with Anthony Almohera, who's an EMS lieutenant for the fire department.
I've never seen 7,000 calls in EMS. To give you some perspective, that's more than 9/11. So basically, we've had 9/11 type calls for about 8 days now.
Here in New York City Central Park, this field hospital, built by the charity group Samaritan's Purse and run by Mount Sinai Medical Center, is now accepting coronavirus patients.
10 of those beds are ICU beds. Those will be able to provide for the sickest patients with ventilators and support and management. The rest of the 58 other beds will be patients that are on oxygen that need therapy, but not quite as severe.
As the virus spreads throughout the country, stay-at-home orders are in effect in 32 states and Washington, D.C. Florida has the 5th highest number of cases in the U.S., and the governor is now weighing what to do with 2 Holland America cruise ships carrying dozens of sick and now 4 deceased passengers. The cruise ships are begging officials to be able to dock in about 2 days.
We would like to have medical personnel simply dispatched to that ship.
Andrea Anderson and her husband Rob have been traveling on the Zandam since March 7th.
I would like to ask Governor DeSantis what his decision would be if his mother was on this ship. How would he feel if another passenger dies because they are not able to receive the proper medical care on the ship that they would have received in the hospital?
There are more than 300 U.S. citizens aboard both ships combined. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.